Hey, this is Chris from Unbox Addiction. Here's an unboxing opinion of the Roku Plus streaming stick or box streaming unit. I have several of these in my house. This one is specifically for the TV in the kitchen. Just as you know here, go through what's included. Batteries, USB cable, power adapter, HDMI, composite cable. This is the Roku Plus. The Plus means it comes with composite cables for people who have older TVs. Let's go ahead and get through the unboxing. See, I'm kind of struggling. I'm holding the camera and opening this at the same time, so bear with me. There we go. Alright, just general documentation. We'll put that to the side. Let's go ahead and open this up. There we go. And here's what comes in the box. There is the charger / wall unit. The remote itself, as you can see, it does not have the audio jack on the side of it for headphones. The actual larger units have it. The remote also had the buttons for the 4 popular streaming services, AAA batteries, and here is the streaming unit itself. Go ahead and tear that off. Alright, there we go. Infrared sensor. On the back there's a reset button, micro USB, HDMI, and AC adapter for, like I said, for composite cables, so you can hook up older TVs that may not have an HDMI port to it. And there's a little adhesive strip that you would put to the bottom of the Roku to allow it to stick to surfaces. Excuse me. Go through this documentation right here. Also gives you a quick guide of what's in the box and some various ways of how to connect it to your TV. Like I said, there's HDMI. There's also the composite cables for those with older TV sets that don't have HDMI, and how to power it. There's the wall socket, or you can power it through a USB through your TV. It has that. Right, in this box comes with the composite cables for your older TV, Roku stickers, and again, just some other various documentation that I put to the side. And in here, it's a micro USB cable for powering and charging, and also, get it out, comes with its own HDMI cable, which I actually like. Most electronics don't come with HDMIs anymore, but this one does. I'm really struggling to get this cap off. I don't know why. There we go. See, HDMI, about maybe 3 feet. Alright, now that we got it set up and hooked up, let's get it started. Various languages. Obviously, I'm going to choose English. Setting up my Wi-Fi network. There we go. Now the Roku Play has the latest software. Once the update is installed, it will restart automatically. So there it goes, updating the latest software. And that's the logo. That's always going to come on like this when you turn it on. Get to the main screen. You have the option to select the imaging. This TV is strictly 720p, which is why we have it in the kitchen for when my wife and I are cooking. So I'm just going to leave it at 720p. You can also change it to 1080p or auto detect, meaning it'll detect the signal and go to that image setting right there. So I'm going to give you guys some silence while you see this setup take place. Okay, so updating the channels that are on here. Forgive me, y'all. I'm kind of getting over a cold, so forgive me for clearing my throat. Updating all the apps and all done. Let's go ahead and go to the home screen again. And there it is. A lot of these apps and channels that I use, a lot of them that I don't use, that I'll probably, the rest of these I'll probably remove from the home screen since I don't use them. That's really just Netflix, Vudu, YouTube, and HBO. Those are really it. Anyway, that's it. It's an unboxing and opinion of the Roku. I already like it. I already have several of these in my device in my house, so therefore I like them a lot. Anyways, that was it. As always, if you like these videos, please like, comment, subscribe. That helps me a lot. If you didn't like the video, well, I appreciate you just watching anyways. You guys take care, and you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend.